Hey ladies, are you ready to kickstart your weight loss journey? Let's dive into the ultimate guide to losing weight fast and healthily. No fad diets here, just solid, sustainable changes you can stick to for life. First up, changing your diet. The golden rule? Consume fewer calories. Aim to cut out 500 to 750 calories daily to shed 2 pounds a week. But remember, never dip below 1,200 calories per day. Start tracking your food intake with tools like MyFitnessPal. Next, focus on lean proteins and non-starchy veggies. Think chicken, eggs, and loads of greens like broccoli and kale. These keep you full and nourish your body. Limit high-carb veggies like potatoes and corn if you want faster results. Now about fruit and whole grains. Enjoy them, but in moderation. 1 serving of fruit a day, and choose whole grains when you can. Limit snacks to under 150 calories, and make them count with protein and fiber. Don't forget the H2O. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. It'll keep you hydrated and curb unnecessary snacking. Cooking at home is a game changer. Control your portions and ingredients. If you eat out, go for the healthiest options like salads with lean protein. Next, curb hunger and boost your metabolism with cardio and muscle building. Get your heart pumping with jogging, biking, or dancing. Aim for at least 150 minutes of cardio weekly. And ladies, don't fear the weights. Building muscle helps burn more calories even at rest. Strength train 2 to 4 times a week. Need a little caffeine boost? Sip on black coffee or green tea to curb your appetite. Just avoid those calorie bomb coffee drinks. Sometimes a stick of gum or a hard candy can trick your brain into feeling full. But moderation is key. Stick to just a few times a week. Staying motivated is crucial. Plan for weight plateaus. They're normal. Keep a journal to track your progress and vent frustrations. Find a diet buddy to share the journey and keep each other accountable. Sleep is your secret weapon. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night to avoid poor decisions and cravings, and reduce stress with yoga, meditation, or a walk in nature. Alright ladies, that's a wrap. Start implementing these tips today for a healthier, happier you. Remember, it's not just about losing weight fast, it's about making changes that last. Stay awesome and keep pushing. You've got this.